Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into a topic that's no longer optional for anyone serious about business. For months, I've been sharing insights on the latest AI breakthroughs, but one thing became clear. Showing you how these tools actually integrate into your daily workflow is crucial. It's one thing to know about an AI, and another to truly harness its power. Over the past half year, I've experimented with countless AI solutions. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 5 game-changing AI tools that haven't just saved me time, but have been instrumental in tripling my business's monthly revenue. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use them, so you can apply these strategies immediately. This video is going to be loaded with actionable strategies. Get ready to take some notes, because we're about to transform your approach to business. ChatGPT. First up, it's impossible to talk about transformative AI without mentioning ChatGPT from OpenAI. Yes, it's a household name, and you might think, oh, not ChatGPT again. But here's the thing, if you're not seeing incredible results, you're probably not unlocking its full potential. For me, ChatGPT is, without a doubt, the most frequently used AI in my arsenal. It's the silent workhorse that underpins so much of what I do. Its sheer versatility means it can replace a significant chunk of your daily tasks once you master the art of prompt engineering. Let me share my top 4 strategies for getting truly exceptional results from ChatGPT. Build, don't generate from scratch. Don't expect a perfect, ready-to-launch business plan from one prompt. Think of ChatGPT as a powerful assistant for creating a strong foundation. Use it to brainstorm, outline, and refine, rather than trying to get a complete flawless output instantly. Leverage proven prompt frameworks. Instead of generic scattered prompts, adopt structured approaches. A technique that consistently delivers for me is assigning ChatGPT a specific persona. For instance, if I'm discussing digital marketing, I'll instruct it to act as an experienced digital marketing strategist. This subtle shift significantly improves the relevance and quality of its responses. Deconstruct complex tasks. Avoid overly broad prompts like create a business plan for a video editing agency. Instead, break down large projects into smaller, more manageable subtasks. By tackling one specific aspect at a time, you guide the AI to provide highly detailed and accurate information. Automate wisely, not blindly. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Focus on automating routine, time-consuming tasks. Don't get bogged down trying to force AI into overly complex automation where your unique human expertise is truly irreplaceable. Your insights are still paramount. Use AI to free up time for what only you can do. And speaking of innovation, OpenAI recently dropped GPT-4 Turbo and introduced the ability for users to create and even monetize their own custom GPTs. The potential here for generating income is enormous. Julius AI. Next up is a recent discovery that's quickly become indispensable. Julius AI. I'm always on the hunt for fresh, impactful AI tools, and Julius is the absolute king of data analysis. Seriously, it's a game changer. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you have a simple spreadsheet, like this email list I've collected. With Julius, all you do is upload your file, in this case a document with the email list. Julius then automatically processes and analyzes the data, running various Python scripts behind the scenes. It sounds complicated, but for us it's a few clicks and a short wait. Watch this. In mere seconds, Julius has ingested all the data and presented it in a beautifully clear visualized format. You can even generate additional charts or graphs with a single, simple prompt. Suddenly, you have professional-grade diagrams ready for a sales pitch, a team meeting, or any presentation. Frankly, I used to dread sifting through numbers, but understanding your business data is absolutely critical. Julius makes it not just tolerable, but insightful. They've even added a new beta feature that allows for greater personalization. You can now create workflow templates. This means you can set up a sequence of actions that Julius will perform every time you run that template. For instance, you could define a template that instructs Julius to analyze the data, then create a linear graph based on that data, and finally, present the 3 most important insights. One more fantastic feature. Julius is designed to scrape the absolute latest data from the internet. Sometimes information as recent as 2 days old. A quick note of caution, always double-check the sources Julius provides, as occasional errors can occur. AI image generators. Moving on, we're talking about AI image generators. And for this section, I won't pinpoint just one specific tool. The beauty is in their diversity and the sheer variety of applications. Beyond simply creating random art, I can create a high-quality, usable image in about 5 minutes. That's just the tip of the iceberg. If you're wondering how to start integrating AI graphics into your workflow, let me break down the strengths of the 3 most popular options. Midjourney. This is my go-to for breathtaking landscapes, futuristic scenes, concept art, and polished cover visuals. It excels at producing highly aesthetic and often ethereal imagery. DALL-E, while its realism might not always match Midjourney, it's superb for generating animated or cartoon-style images, vectors, logos, and, critically, for incorporating text directly into your designs with remarkable accuracy. If you need a design that precisely follows your textual prompt, DALL-E is incredibly reliable. Adobe Firefly, this newcomer is a powerhouse for realistic portraits. Let's do a quick demo. I'll prompt it to create a portrait of a red-haired man. Look at the detail in the hair. It's truly unparalleled realism compared to other generators. Now, let me show you how to quickly create a logo using DALL-E 3. It's incredibly practical. Imagine you're launching a new hamburger chain and need a simple logo. I've put together a straightforward, adaptable prompt in ChatGPT. Act as a professional graphic designer and create a logo for your brand name. Ensure the logo's style is described style, for example, minimalistic, vibrant, retro, and that it features key elements, for example, a burger icon, abstract shape. The logo should be on a blank background. Let's plug in our hamburger chain details, hit generate, and see what DALL-E cooks up. Looks great. It's minimalistic, just what I wanted. Now, to remove the background, simply use an online background removal tool. Upload your image, and it handles the rest automatically. Sometimes, if the logo and background colors are too similar, it might need a quick touch-up like in this demo, but it's still lightning fast. The whole process, maybe 2 minutes from idea to finished logo. It's truly astounding. That wraps up my top 5 AI tools for business growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more AI insights. And tell me in the comments, which of these tools are you most excited to try first? See you in the next one.